Hey, how's everybody doing? So this is going to be a video on the Viking Baldur XL hard painted bags for my 2007 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. So these are the bags that will be going on the bike. As you can see, I got the quick mount system so that they go on and come off easily. These are the hardware that was needed. I opted to go purchase chrome bolts, but the bolts that came with it were fine. Actually didn't even need the spacers. I have a sissy bar that goes on, and with the hardware for the sissy bar, no spacers were necessary, but there are plenty of spaces that come with it. I'm gonna put these on and show you what they look like on the bike. Alright, and we're back with the bags on. Alright, as you can see, we got the quick mount system. We got the key locks to lock them on, take them off. And the bags have their own key. Unlock. And these bags do not have to be key locked to get the key out, so if you want to leave them unlocked and get in, get out, you're set, or you can close them and lock them up. Again, each bag comes with an interior bag for storage. The inside of the bags. Both bags have a interior pocket. There's this. Alright, you got the gasket for the weatherproofing. Lock them up. Boom. Again, pop your key in there, unlock it, bags come off in minutes. Give you guys a couple more views. So they look good. And the turn signal relocation mounting bracket did come with the bags. However, I did opt to get the easy bracket lay down license plate and relocate my turn signals there. But the hardware was included from Viking to relocate them on the stock license plate if you wanted to do that. And if I want to throw in my sissy bar, I still have my mounts right there for those, and that can go on as well with the bags, no problem. But there she is with the bags on. I like the look, and the bags are plenty of storage for what I'm going to need to throw in there for extended runs or some overnight stays. So check them out, vikingbags.com. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, hope it gives you a good idea what they look like on a 07 Fat Boy. Thanks for watching.